Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set a video wallpaper on your iPhone or iPad. If you're tired of the usual static backgrounds and want something more dynamic, this tutorial is just for you. So let's jump right into it. Before we dive into the steps, let's take a quick look at what a video wallpaper looks like. As you can see, your lock screen or home screen background can actually be a moving video instead of a still photo. In this video, I'll show you how to set a video as your wallpaper using the Nugget app, fully supported on iOS 18 and newer. Before set live video wallpaper on your iDevice, you have to turn off your Find My first. Go to Settings, tap Profile, then click Find My. After that, turn off your Find My before we set live wallpaper on the device. After that, connect your device to computer using USB cable. First, you need a computer to enable it using Nugget. I hope Nugget release mobile version without computer soon. Then download Nugget app on your computer. I will insert the link download on description. For this version of Nugget, you can activate poster board to set live wallpaper on your iPhone or iPad. And this supports iOS 17 to the latest iOS 18, including iOS 18.4. Before running the Nugget app, you must install iTunes on your computer so that the Nugget can run normally. Please download and install iTunes. I will provide the download link in the description of this video. After iTunes is installed on your computer, then open the Nugget zip files that you downloaded, then extract it first. After that, double-click, then run the Nugget. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the computer via USB cable. Then your iPhone or iPad will be detected in Nugget. After that, go to poster board section to set live wallpaper video on your iDevice. Then check Modify to turn on poster board. In the Nugget version that has been released, you can only choose the attendees wallpaper that has been provided by Nugget. For the version I am using, it is still a beta version that has not been released. So please just use the released version so that there are no errors on your device. After that, click Find Wallpaper. Then you will be redirected to the Nugget website to get the live wallpaper that will later be installed on your device. Select the live wallpaper you want. For example, I want to use Snoopy live wallpaper. Click Download and you will get the attendees file. Then go back to Nugget. Click Import attendees file. Select the live wallpaper file that you downloaded earlier. After that, go to Apply section to apply live wallpaper on your iDevice. Wait a few minutes, your device will restart automatically. And you will see the setup screen. Don't worry, your device is not reset, only setup screen after turned on live wallpaper. If you see a screen that says iPhone partially set up, don't tap the big blue button. You must tap on Continue with partial setup and your data will be fine. It is optional because this partial setup only appears on certain devices. If you don't see this setup, then this is even better. Now, let's get started to enable live wallpaper on your iDevice. First, press the side button on your iPhone twice to return to the lock screen. Touch and hold lock screen until the Customize button is at the bottom of the screen. Tap plus button to create a new lock screen or to make changes to the lock screen. Swipe to the screen you want to change, tap Customize, then tap Lock Screen. Then go to Collection to see Snoopy live wallpaper that you added using Nugget app. As you can see, the live video wallpaper has been successfully set on your device. This is not a live photo, but a live wallpaper. When you lock your screen, the live wallpaper remains active. If the live wallpaper does not appear in the collection, you can restart your device, then try adding the live wallpaper through the collection. Now your iDevice support video wallpapers natively. To add another live wallpaper, you can add some live wallpapers using the Nugget app. You can add as many live wallpapers as you want without limits. And that's it! Your iPhone or iPad now has a dynamic video wallpaper. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments.